Some are born to change the world. Others are born to save it.
Lara Croft! Shouldn't have come here.
You messed with the wrong family.
The new Volvo XC40.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Anders Gustafsson, Senior Vice President Americas, and President and CEO, Volvo Car USA.
Thank you very much. As a proud Swede, I'm super excited to see Lara Croft, Gothenburg's own Alicia Vikander. And also I would like to say that I have the best job in the industry. All the cars in the stand today are less than 6 months old. And so am I in this position. Volvo Cars isn't transforming, we have transformed. 2017, we had a record global sales, a record of profitability, and we had the youngest range ever in America. It started with the XC90, which won the North American Utility of the Year 2016, and XC60 won the same award this year. And today, XC60 won the World Car of the Year award here in New York. Volvo is disrupting the car. Thank you so much. Volvo is disrupting the car industry. 4 months ago, we launched Care by Volvo in the US, and I would like to talk a little bit about the key benefits. It's include everything without excluding gas. It's as easy as having as a cell phone, and it's offered in partnership with our retailers. Our target was to have a subscription and make up to 10% of our first year volume. And today I can confirm that we did that in just 4 months and before any customers have even driven the car. Last week we introduced an even simpler way to subscribe to the new XC40. Simply go to the Apple App Store, download and subscribe. With Apple Pay you can even subscribe with a selfie. This means that XC40 really is the car you can download. This is a part of our mission to make life less complicated. And what a start, what a success. There has been a tremendous interest and feedback, and we have sold 20,000 cars globally. And on top of that, we have also received the award for European Car of the Year. XC40 is also the first car that you can share. An app allows you to send a digital key to friends and family, and they can then lock, unlock, and drive the car. And today we have the latest version of XC40 here. And that is make its North American debut of the XC40 Inscription, our most luxurious XC40. But today's star, ladies and gentlemen, is the new Volvo V60. It comes 65 years after our very first wagon. I'm also very proud to announce that the V60 is available with a plug-in hybrid option. It joins our expanding plug-in hybrid range worldwide. And because of the success of our subscription program, V60 will also be launched with Care by Volvo. The V60's sibling, the S60, will be produced at our new $1 billion manufacturing site in South Carolina, along with our next generation XC90. 50% of our production in Charleston will be exported, and production will start later this year. Here is the very first car in the body shop with some of our colleagues. They will be part of the 2,000 who will build the S60, and up to 4,000 colleagues when the next XC90 comes online. So with that, I would like to thank you for joining Volvo today, and we look forward to seeing many of you in South Carolina this June when we open the factory. Thank you very much.